hi, Dad.
Nice hat, Sam. Wow, that's a cool hat. Look at that hat. Look at that hat. Wow, he straightens it out. He's looking at the table.
He's really ready.
I'd really like to look at the presents now.
He's being very patient. He's letting Auntie hold him for one. Are you ready for your presents?
He's all like, heck yeah. What do you think? You know I am. Blow it.
Blow. Oh my God.
Go. Blow.
Good. Hard. Blow hard.
Like that.
Let me see.
Come on, Sam.